Hello, this is Miss Virginia. Today I'm going to show you the book Pigs Makes Me Sneeze, and written by Mo Willems. Achoo! What happened? Pigs makes me sneeze. Roll! What do you want to do today? I wonder, yes? What? A ball? A swim? A hat? Achoo! Are you okay? I do not want. Achoo! I cannot stop achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! What if pigs makes me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do makes me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Jerome? No, do not speak. It is too late. Choo. Goodbye, Jerome. Are you okay, Jerome? No, I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs makes me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Pigs is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats makes me sneeze too. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news! I have a cold. Good for you. The end, because Piggy is sick too. The end. This is Pigs Makes Me Sneeze. Bye.